Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived an old farmer who had 3 sons. The farmer worked hard every day, but his sons always quarreled with one another. They argued over small things and refused to help each other. This made the farmer very sad. One day, the farmer came up with a plan to teach his sons a lesson. He called them to the backyard and gave each one a stick. He said, "Here, take this stick and break it." The eldest son snapped the stick easily with his hands. The second son did the same. The youngest son also broke his stick with no effort at all. They all looked at their father and said, "This was easy. Is that all?" The farmer smiled. Then he brought out a bundle of sticks tied tightly with a rope. "Now," he said, "let's see if you can break this bundle." The eldest son tried first. He pulled and twisted the bundle, but the sticks didn't break. He handed it to the second son, who tried with all his might, but the bundle was too strong. Finally, the youngest son gave it a go, but even he couldn't break the bundle. "Father, it's impossible," the son said. The farmer untied the bundle and gave each son one stick again. "Now try," he said. This time the sticks snapped easily. The farmer looked at his sons and said, "Do you see the difference? When the sticks were together, they were strong and couldn't be broken. But when they were separated, they became weak. The same is true for you. If you keep fighting and stand alone, others will defeat you easily. But if you work together as a family, you will be strong and no one can harm you." The sons finally understood the lesson. They felt ashamed of their constant fighting and promised their father that they would stick together like the bundle of sticks. From that day on, they worked as a team. They helped each other on the farm, shared their food, and laughed together. The farm grew bigger and more successful, and the family lived happily ever after. Moral of the story: unity is strength. When we work together, we can overcome any challenge.